Good morning, sixth graders. It's Miss Nicolay here. Today, for your Flex Friday, October 30th assignment, I'm going to teach you a little bit about connotation. So this is a brief intro to connotation and a fun way to learn about it today. So before you begin, you are going to have a fun creative writing opportunity. So first, watch this short video clip, and then open your digital notebook doc. And you're going to have the opportunity to either write a sequel or an alternate ending to this short film. Have fun. So intro to connotation. Connotation is the idea, feeling, or connection with a word we as readers make when we read it. So 3 ways to think about that again is ideas, feelings, and the connections we actually make. So an example of this would be when I hear the word travel, I think of all the different places I have traveled to and have been and want to go. So those are my ideas. When I hear the word or read the word irate, I think very upset and I even get mad. So it evokes that feeling from me. And then charger, the connection I make when I hear charger is not actually phone charger, but I think of the Chippewa Chargers, all of you, and because I work here. So it's the connections I make. So again, ideas, feelings, and connections. But it goes more deeper than just that. When we think of words, we think of positive, negative, and neutral connotated words. So think positive. When a word leaves you with a positive, good feeling, it has a good emotional impact. Negative. When a word leaves you with a negative, bad feeling, it has a negative emotional impact. And then neutral, when a word leaves you with no feeling, it has a very little emotional impact. So some examples of this. So think of the word visitor. It's kind of it has a neutral connotation. When someone says we have welcome this guest to our home, the word guest has more of a positive connotation, right? You're like, this is our guest. Versus intruder. If you have an intruder in your home, that is a negative connotated word. Notice all these words are kind of similar to one another. And then think exam, yuck or ick, when a word or phrase has a common bad feeling. Maybe you love exams, but some people don't. All right, so the fun practice activity today is sort the candies depending on your feeling towards them. So you can just grab these candies from over here. For example, I can't grab them actually right now because I'm presenting, but I do not enjoy Skittles. So I would put them in the negative area. I love Take 5. They have that salty, sweet taste and they have a crunch and I really like that. So I'd put them in the positive. And then me personally, M&Ms, I don't dislike them, but I don't love them. So I would put them in the neutral category. And then once you have done that, the directions for this slide is you're going to pick 3 candies and only 3. One with a positive connotation, one with a negative connotation, and one with a neutral. You can either post the photos here in the purple boxes, or you can type the names of each in the boxes. Then below in these orange boxes, you are going to use all the adjectives. So think of those describing words you feel best describe the candies. So for negative, I think I picked Skittles. I would put, I have, 2 words. They're too sweet, too fruity. I don't know. I just don't like them. So I would pick a lot of negative describing adjectives there. All right. And then that is all you're doing today. Have a great weekend. Hopefully you do something fun. It's going to be really nice on Saturday. I don't know if it's going to be sunny, but it's going to be 54. So a little heat wave for us. Have a great day. Bye.